friends, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making TKG, meaning Tamago Kake Gohan, raw egg over rice. I wasn't going to introduce this dish until I know this dish is very popular outside Japan. And it comes to my attention when I see the TV news that egg is in shortage in the market because exporting to Hong Kong, where the TKG is becoming so popular. It's a very quick recipe, so let's get started. Here's how you can make fluffy cloud egg TKG. You will need cooked Japanese short grain rice, fresh and high quality raw egg that you can eat raw. The rice should be freshly cooked but not too hot, slightly cooled rice. If you use the freshly cooked hot rice, the remaining heat will actually cook the egg, so be sure to cool slightly. Carefully crack a fresh egg and separate the egg yolk and egg white. Whisk the egg white until fluffy for a couple of minutes. Gently put the fluffy egg white on top of the rice and make a hole in the center and put your egg yolk in it. And drizzle soy sauce over the egg and mix with spoons, and that's it. It's that easy. There you have your fluffy cloud TKG. Or you can go like this. Crack your egg directly on top of the rice and using your chopsticks and mix the egg and rice to create an entirely uniform mixture. And drizzle over soy sauce and you have a very basic original TKG. And if you like, you can add additional toppings such as chopped scallions and nori seaweed and furikake seasonings or baby sardines in this case, and so on. It's best enjoy fresh and warm. Eat it as soon as you mix the egg and rice to keep the texture and flavors. And make sure to find the eggs that you can eat low and high quality eggs from a reliable store and follow the proper food safety guidelines. Enjoy the quick but nutritious meal. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. And thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!